How to make a gravel pathway with Nidagravel. In order to prepare the base course, excavate the ground. Then lay draining layer. Lay some sand and level. Compact the surface. Nidagravel is laid with cross joints, edge to edge, on the geotextile of the previous plate. Cutting is done with a grinder. Fill the honeycomb with gravel. Select a non-brittle gravel with an adapted granulometry. The gravel must be 1 to 2 centimeters thicker than the Nidagravel plates.